We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.